A very good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start with chapter number 5 in history, colonialism and tribal societies. पिछले 4 चैप्टर्स में हम ऑलरेडी स्टडी कर चुके हैं दैट हाउ द ब्रिटिशर्स केम इन इंडिया एंड बाय टेकिंग द एडवांटेजेस ऑफ द पॉलिटिकल कंडीशंस ऑफ द कंट्री हाउ दे डेवलप देयर सुपरमेसी इन इंडिया. चैप्टर नंबर 4 में हमने स्टडी किया था हाउ द ब्रिटिशर्स अफेक्टेड द रूरल लाइफ ऑफ द पीपल इन इंडिया. They started various agrarian policies in the rural areas like zamindari system, mehalwari system, rayyatwari system and permanent settlement system, and they forced the people to plant indigo in their farm. All these policies affected the rural life of the people very much. And in the same way, colonialism also affected the tribal people of the country also. Before moving further, we should know the meaning of the tribal societies. What are these tribal societies? किसको हम tribes कहते हैं? होते कौन है tribes? Now tribes are those people who are having common something common in them, like common language, common traditions and common culture. When they share something common language, common culture, common traditions between them, they become a tribe. बट यहाँ पर इसका ये मतलब बिल्कुल भी नहीं है कि ट्राइब्स के बीच में कुछ सोशल एंड इकोनॉमिक डिफरेंसेस नहीं थे. येस, देयर वर सम सोशल एज वेल एज इकोनॉमिक डिफरेंसेस विद इन द ट्राइब्स ऑल्सो. And on the basis of their occupation, on the basis of their social and economic differences, we can classify the tribal societies also. In this chapter, we are going to study about 4 types of tribal societies, that is Jhum cultivators, hunters and gatherers, pastoralists and settled cultivators. So one by one in this chapter, I am going to study with you. We are going to start with the Jhum cultivators. Now who are these Jhum cultivators? Jhum cultivators are also known as the shifting cultivators. Shifting cultivation is another name of Jhum cultivation. What these people do, Jhum cultivators, what they do, they move from one place to another place within a year of 2 or 3. अब वो क्या करते थे, वहाँ पे जाके उस एरिया को, फॉरेस्ट एरिया को क्लीन करते थे, बर्न करते थे उस एरिया को, एंड दे यूज टू डू द एग्रीकल्चर देयर. उस एरिया को क्लीन करके, नाउ लुक एट हेयर इन दिस पिक्चर, some of the people are sitting there in the forest. What are they are doing? They are cleaning the area of the forest. What they will do here, they will burn the area. Look at here, they have burned this area and they will make it proper for the agriculture. यहाँ पर सॉयल में जो ऐश मिली होती है उसके साथ में दे यूज टू डू द एग्रीकल्चर इन द मॉनसून एंड देयर हार्वेस्ट इज़ रेडी बाय अक्टूबर टू नवंबर. अब 2 या 3 ईयर्स यहाँ पर एग्रीकल्चर करने के बाद वो इस लैंड को फैलो छोड़ देते हैं. फैलो मीन्स दे लीव इट फॉर सम ईयर्स सो दैट द वेजिटेशन ग्रो इट बैक एंड the land will gain its fertility again. We know very well कि whenever we do one type of agriculture on a piece of land, sooner or later the land loses its fertility. To regain the fertility of the land, they left the land fallow and moved to another place. दूसरी जगह जाकर फिर से यही प्रोसीजर को फॉलो करते हैं. दे यूज्ड टू अगेन क्लीन द फॉरेस्ट, burn it and used to do the agriculture for their 2 to 3 years, and for that time they used to settle there. That is why it is known as the Jhum cultivation. Jhum cultivation means when they do the agriculture for 2 to 3 years and shift to another side. Now next type of category of tribal societies we are having is hunters. Now what is the work of these hunters and gatherers? So many tribal societies lived around the forest, and they are totally dependent on the forest for their livelihood. They used to hunt the animals like deer or some other animals. They used forest resources for their day to day needs, like they used fruits to eat, they use herbs for the medicine purpose, they use wood for agriculture implements, they make basket and umbrellas from bamboos. They used to stitch the leaf of the plants together to make the disposable plates and cups. They get oil from the mahua and sal tree for cooking and lamps. So for so many need, अपनी बहुत सारी ज़रूरत को पूरा करने के लिए hunters and gatherers, look at here, they are doing here hunting and they are gathering material from the forest to earn their livelihood. And sometimes what they do, these sooner or later these tribes started doing jobs in the villages also to supplement the income of their livelihood. Like उन्होंने क्या किया, बिल्डिंग्स बनाने के काम स्टार्ट किया, लोड उठाने का काम स्टार्ट किया, so that they can supplement means they can increase the income of their family. Next type of category that we are having is pastoralist. Now what are pastoralists? Pastoralist community has a different lifestyle. They followed a pattern of cyclical movement. What they do, now you can see here in the picture also, they are having the herd of their pet animals with them. हर्ड झुंड, अपने एनिमल्स के झुंड के साथ में वो एक प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस पर मूव करते हैं, सो दैट दे कैन गेट द गुड क्वालिटी ऑफ पास्चर. पास्चर मीन्स चारा फॉर देयर एनिमल. अपने एनिमल्स के लिए एक अच्छी क्वालिटी के चारा ढूंढने के लिए वो एक प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस पर, फ्रॉम बिटवीन माउंटेन्स टू प्लेन्स टू डेजर्ट्स टू माउंटेन मूव करते हैं. लाइक विंटर सीजन में वो माउंटेन्स से नीचे आ जाते हैं, एंड इन समर्स दे अगेन मूव टू द माउंटेन्स फॉर अ लश ग्रीन वेजिटेशन फॉर देयर animals. As they followed a pattern of moving from one place to another place, mountains to plains to desert to hills again, that is why they move in a cyclical movement. They are known as the pastoralists. Like गुज्जर्स आर देयर. आपने कई बार देखा भी होगा, व्हेन वी आर मूविंग ऑन द रोड साइड, हम जाते हैं जब, हम कई बार देखते हैं सम ऑफ द पीपल आर मूविंग विद द हर्ड ऑफ देयर एनिमल्स. अपने एनिमल्स के झुंड के साथ वो रोड साइड पर मूव कर रहे होते हैं. वाई दे मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस? इन सर्च ऑफ द गुड क्वालिटी ऑफ पास्चर. चारा ढूंढते हैं अपने एनिमल्स के लिए, सो दैट दे कैन अर्न लाइवलीहुड फ्रॉम दीज पेट एनिमल्स. Last type of category of the tribal society which we are having is settled cultivators. These we are having is settled cultivators. Settled cultivators are those types of cultivators who has left living the life of शिफ्टिंग कल्टिवेटर्स. जिन्होंने एक जगह से दूसरी जगह, नेम से ही क्लियर हो रहा है सेटल्ड, हु यूज्ड टू सेटल्ड एट वन प्लेस. एक जगह जो सेटल्ड हो गए हैं, एक प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस पर मूव नहीं कर रहे हैं. दीज टाइप ऑफ कल्टिवेटर्स आर नोन एज द सेटल्ड cultivators. They used to do the agriculture to earn their livelihood. They are using the agriculture implements, they are using plows, they are using animals for the agriculture, and they have settled at one place and started living their life. Like Gonds, Santhals and Mundas, these are some of the tribes who have started living the settled life. Even the British government also considered settled tribes more civilized than Jhum, hunters और pastoralists. ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट ने भी सेटल्ड कल्टिवेटर्स को झूम कल्टिवेटर्स के कंपैरिजन में, हंटर्स के कंपैरिजन में या पेस्टोरिस्ट के कंपैरिजन में बहुत ज़्यादा सिविलाइज्ड माना है. So this is what we are having in today's topic. We have studied about 4 tribes today. We have studied about Jhum cultivators, we have studied about hunters and pastoralists and settled cultivators. I have sent the assignment of this topic also to you. Now you are required to try the book work yourself and then match the answers from the assignment. Have a nice day. Thank you.